about normal skin tone. So to do this, you should have a palette color. So here we have a palette color and drag it into the photo. So we adjust the size of photo, this palette, and move it into the photo. So from adjustment menu, go to the curves and click on this icon curves, and here we have a lot of eyedropper. So we choose it and double click on it. So this color means highlight, midnight shadow. So choose this color and okay, and no. So it is important to choose the color between highlight of the photo and shadow. So I think here it's good. So click on the photo so you can see the color changed, and again go to the eyedropper and choose saturation and reduce the amount of this. So click OK and no. So click again on the photo so you can see the color of the photo should be normal. So thanks for watching, hope you enjoy it.